Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. So let's get started. To draw this cute Jerry, we need to first start by drawing a really big circle. But it's going to be kind of like a wobbly circle. So I'm going to start, let's say about right here, since it's just easier for my hand to go this way. And I'm going to do my best to draw a nice big circle. But as I go, I'm just going to kind of wobble, because this is the top. And we just want to give Mega Minion Jerry here some texture, because he does have like a rock texture on his body, right? So I'm going to go up and just kind of curve maybe here and there, just bring it in. Give it a little bit of a wobble. There, so nice big circle. And then now that I have that, towards the bottom part of our circle, we can make it smoother. So let's say about right here, let's go ahead and we can just smooth it out. So let me make sure I'm looking at my camera, that I am going in a nice circle here. Okay, there. Nice big circle. Okay, so now that we have that, we're gonna we need to go inside, and in the center we need to draw a big circle as well for the goggle, for the one eye. So I'm going to say about right here towards this top area in the center. I'll start about right here, it's just easier for my hand. Okay, let's say about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a nice big smooth circle right in the center. If you're not comfortable drawing circles, you can definitely find something you can trace, but I think it looks a lot better if it's not perfect. It's a little bit more organic, it looks much cuter, right? So now that we have that circle, I'm going to come inside. I'm just going to follow. I'm going to come inside and follow my outside. So if you feel like you drew your circle too small, then you could put it on the outside or vice versa. So let's say something like that. Then from there, let's come to maybe about the center. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line across. And just soft curve right across. And then right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a half circle right in this area for the one eye. And I'll come in here with another half circle. And then in this area, I'm going to just draw another circle and shade this all in. There. So then this part would be the color of Jerry's eyes. There. Eye, not eyes, right? So then from there, let's go ahead and draw the goggles. So I'm going to, like maybe about right here. Just need to center this. And we're going to come straight down and go back in. And then draw a center line. And same thing on the other side. So this is the strap part right here. And then we're going to draw a strap. So it's easier for my hand to go this way. So I'm just going to go. And it's going to be a little bit thinner on this side. So let's say about right here to here. Now another strap, and so same thing here. There. Now it's strapped around this big circle. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw the mouth. So right underneath this circle, I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve right underneath. And then I'm going to extend this out to give Jerry a cool, fierce look. And then about right there, let's go ahead and round this off at an angle. And show some teeth, and then we're going to bring it, round it off and bring it in. So as we come down here, we're going to go down and then wobble a little bit towards the center and connect back. They're just creating this shape here for the mouth. And then let's come back inside and find the center, and we're just going to draw a soft curve going all the way across. And then find your center, which is about right here. We're just going to draw a straight line down. And then let's work on the top teeth. So I'm going to go down here and about right here. Whatever space you have left here. And here. And then for the bottom, let's stagger it a little bit. So here and here. And I'll just make the center line a little bit blacker and thicker. There, so hopefully that looks like his teeth. And then if you really want to, you can come in here and round off these corners right here. So that way it doesn't look like it's just like sharp glass teeth or something, right? So now it looks more like teeth now that you've rounded it off on the corners. There, so hopefully that helps. And so now that we have that, let's go ahead. We need to draw the outfit. So draw these overalls. Let's say about right here underneath the mouth. I'm going to give myself a point. I'm going to drag this across since I'm drawing pretty big. So let's say to about right there. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big curve going underneath and back up to my point. There, so I'm just curving the bottom here. Then from there, I'm going to, let's see here, let's find the center. So about here. And then I'm going to go to the left, about right here. So the center, and then same thing on the other side. About right there. Just give myself some points, and from there I'm going to draw the straps. I'm going to curve this. And let's see here, about this width. I'm going to draw one strap coming down. So I definitely needed to turn my body there, and so same thing here. And up. So definitely turn your paper or your body, and then you can even pop this part out if you like. And here as well, you can pop this part out. There. So just come in there, erase that a little bit. And then from there, now that we have the straps in, we're gonna, let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down, and same thing here. Bring this in a little bit more. Okay, there. Then we can go ahead. Didn't look very centered. Okay, so then another curve, and then one right here to finish it off. And here as well. And then of course there's a pocket in the center. So let's say about right here. And we're going to make this pocket kind of shallow because it's a big circle, right? Very stretched out. There. And then I'm going to come in here and try to draw like this ovalish shape. And I'm going to try to put an M in here. And shade everything around it. There, we did it, kind of. So hopefully you can see the M. And then from there, let's draw the tiny little feet. So center right here, go to your left, about right here, go to your left. Then from there, I'm going to draw these tiny little feet. So 2 little lines that kind of angle out. And then so let's work on this side. Just going to draw a line across and give it 2 angles. And then I'm going to wobble these little feet. So same thing here. 2 angles, and then wobble. So the sides kind of pokes out a little bit more and connect. There. And then from there, let's draw the arms. So we're going to have to come underneath this. This is where the arms are going to start. Let's say about right here. We're going to curve and another curve. So it's thinner right about here, and then we're going to cut it off and then draw the hands. So angle, and then we're going to pop out 2 curves and connect. There. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Curve and curve, and then cut it off, angle, and then pop in these 2 curves and connect. There, grr, right? And then now that we have all that, the main elements in, let's go ahead and I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie so that we can draw the rock texture on the body. So just to make it a little bit easier, just kind of imagine that the circle is exploding. So everything is coming from the center. So, so these rays are coming out. So I'll just start by right here and just have fun with this. It doesn't have to be a certain way. Just going to draw these curves. Like maybe here where it indented in, we can kind of put that in. So here, maybe some of it's like a wider, thinner, and then we can do that here as well. Continue it. So I'm using a thinner Sharpie because I don't, if I use a thick Sharpie, it's just going to look like a mess. So let's say about here. And if you're going to be coloring this, you can just use like a brown, a very light brown, to draw these lines. Okay, so then maybe towards the bottom here, you just kind of wobble this layer around. And then cut it off. Maybe another layer. So here and there, I'm just going to break things up. But you just definitely want to start with this exploding lines, and that makes it look more like the original. So here and there, I'm just going to quickly, sometimes you can split it up. And there's actually lines here too, I almost forgot. So here, should go through, let me break that up. Let me break this up as well. Okay, better stop before I make a mess, but hopefully you get the idea. And then also on the hands, so I'm just gonna center it and then go back, and then same thing here. There's some texture on the hands. And do we need a heart on Jerry here? Oh, actually, I almost forgot the eyes. So same thing. Kind of going outwards. Maybe here you split it up. There. Something like that. And oh, and almost forgot a button right here and here. And let's just add a heart right here. I know it really so small, but there, we got a little heart on Jerry, the Mega Minion from Despicable Me 4. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.